Time to build another one. I decided to go ahead and build another Tamiya. And I'm like, well, I'm going to try this Mustang out. So I bought it and went in and got some bearings for it. Actually, I've had this Holmes Hobby Retro Sport motor laying around for a while. It's actually reverse timed. So I'm going to use it. And then I have these shocks I bought for another kit a while back that I never used on. So I'm going to use them on this. So let me open up the box and we'll take a look inside. This will be my second TT02 chassis I've built in the past year or so. The last one was a Subaru Rally that I built. Happy it's got the ESC with it. There's the wing and the mirrors. There's the body. Haven't decided on the paint scheme just yet. Of course, the thumbnail is going to be a dead giveaway on that. And I don't know what that's all for. The car already has a rear end on it, so don't know what that is. I guess the instructions will tell me. And it's got a motor. It's got the torque tune motor with it. All your usual bits we usually get. Nice set of tires. There's the wheels. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these wheels just yet. Like I said, I'll figure it out as I go. But cool. Let me get started on this thing and then I will see y'all shortly.
2,000 years later.
I love these TT02 chassis. They just go together so well and they look so good. But this one took me about 5 hours to do. I did like an hour a night. Did it on a live stream actually. I'll put a link in the eye above up here, so if y'all want to go kind of skim through the videos or whatever, see what I did. The one thing I wish I did do, I wish I would have put aluminum drive shaft in it. Other than that, it'd be fine. I got the Holmes Hobby Retro 15 turn reverse timing motor in there, and then the Amazon Red Can servo, radio link with gyro. It already came with the ESC. I just actually put a XT60 connector on it. Got bearings on it, and I put the Tamiya upgraded shocks on it too. So that part was easy. This part was kind of tough. There's a lot of little details on this body. But once we get it outside in the sunlight, you'll see all my flaws, but it's not bad. It'll work for something I can take outside and play with and run on the streets. But let's get it outside in the sunlight. I'll show it off, and then we'll do a speed run on it, and then we'll go hoot it around. Battery in it, GPS is in it. Let's see what that was. Okay, 24 miles an hour. That's not bad at all for brushed. and the 22 tooth pinion that it came with. Well, of course, today I decided to go shoot the video. It's overcast and got a crappy GPS signal, but it still all worked out. I'm hoping y'all got to enjoy the video. I'm hoping y'all like the way the car turned out. Y'all let me know down in the comments. Any comments, likes, always helps my channel, and I really appreciate it. I think the only thing I'm going to do to this car, I think I'm going to add a fan to the motor because it got a little hot when I was out there playing around. Other than that, it ran great. I'm very impressed with this Holmes Hobby reverse timed retro sport 15 turn motor. 24 miles an hour with a 22 tooth pinion. I'm impressed. I think this is my fastest brushed vehicle I have, and it's a lot of fun to play with. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and y'all be good and take care.